Haven't done a video in a while. Out here checking these colonies. It's September the 21st. We have not had any measurable rain in 2.5 months. But yet the bees that I run are still gentle enough to work them without avail during the dearth, because nothing around here but goldenrod is blooming, so there's no nectar coming in. And I'm just doing a check on these 2 colonies while one lady decides if she's going to walk up in shorts or not. But guys, I don't care how hot it is. It's 96 degrees today. I think we're going to be close to a record for this day of the year. You still need to get in your bees during the dearth to make sure you're on the right trajectory. As in, they're brooding up for winter. Or I should say they're brooding up for the fall flow. Now that's a beautiful frame of pollen. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but that is a beautiful frame of pollen. Need to post this video to Sustainable Beekeeping, because Michael was just talking about people working bees without equipment on, and the bees have lost their will to fight. I guarantee you, if something tries to get into these bees, i.e. a raccoon, a bear, or something like that, they will definitely fight. But there's also the being one with the bees. We're all electric beings. Everything vibrates at a frequency, and you, my friends, are no different. And it's the difference of vibrating with or close to them. They realize you're a friend. They don't bother me. Now, if I'm in the wrong mindset, I come down here and I'm pissed off about something, as soon as I open the colony, they'll start bumping my hands, bumping my head, letting me know, hey, you need to go get yourself right before you come down here and start messing with us. Beautiful, beautiful pollen. That was something about 3 weeks ago that very few of the hives had, was pollen. And then the right goldenrod and the right wild clematis started blooming, and guess what? They started bringing in pollen, and next thing you know, we got loads and loads of brood. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 to 8 frames of brood right now, so, and only about 2 frames of honey. So I'll worry with that at a later date, because I've got some more of these type frames in some boxes that I know have loaded up on the honey. But just a little working the bees in the dearth, and thought I'd throw a video out. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.